Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to continue with our first chapter, Introduction to Biology, and the next topic with us is cellular organization. Students, it's all about the organization of the living things on the basis of the cells. So organization of organisms on the basis of cells, it can be unicellular organization, colonial organization, and multicellular organization. So let's start with our first topic, that is a unicellular organization. Students, as the name indicates that uni, it stands for one. So the organization of the living things that is having a single cell, it is called unicellular organisms. And this single cell, it carries out all the activities of life. For example, amoeba, proteus. This amoeba, it consists of a single cell. And this single cells, students, it carries out all the activities of life. For example, nutrition. Nutrition is, as you know, it stands for obtaining of food. Next is respiration. Respiration, students, is taking in oxygen and getting out carbon dioxide. Locomotion, it stands for movement or the ability to move from one place to another place. And reproduction, it means to reproduce. So from this it appears that amoeba, it is a single cell organism, and it is involved in these activities such as this nutrition, respiration, locomotion and reproduction, etc. Second is colonial organization. As this name indicates, colonial, it means colony. So the organization of the living things is based on many cells. These cells, they make a colony, they live together, but the cells, even if they live together, these cells are even then independent. For example, wall walks. So if you see in your books, students, wall walks, there is no division of labor among them. So the tissues and organs, they are not formed. Here, this sentence, there is no division of labor. It means that the cells, that the volvox having cells, they do not perform any sort of activity. So the tissues and organs, they are not formed. Number 3 is multicellular organization. As the name indicates that these multicellular organization, they consist of many cells, multiple cells, and examples are frog, man, and mustard plant, etc. Okay, students, next is mustard plant. The botanical name of mustard plant is Brassica campestris. It can be divided into two parts on the basis of its functions. The first part is vegetative part. Students, this part consists of roots, stem, branches and leaves. The second part consists of reproductive part, and this part consists of flowers. These flowers, they are directly involved in sexual reproduction, such as forming of seeds and fruits. Okay, next is frog. Students, the biological name of frog is Rana tigrina. This frog is an amphibian. Amphibian, students, are those which can live both in water as well as on land. For example, the frog's early stage is tadpole, and this tadpole, it lives in water, and this tadpole is having gills, and through the gills they can breathe. Later on, at adult stage, when it changes into frog, it develops lungs, and when it starts beginning to live on land, so it can breathe with the help of its lungs. So this frog is having this head, trunk, trunk is body, and limbs including these hands and legs. Okay students, now we are going to discuss the exercise, the MCQs. Select the correct answer. The study of functions of various organs of an organism is called physiology. Various options are given students. So out of these four, the correct answer is physiology. Histology is microscopic study of tissues. Students, due to shortage of time, I have directly written down the answer. As these are MCQs, MCQs means multiple choice are given to you people. But due to shortage of time, I have written down directly the answers. Paleontology is the study of fossils. Number 4, the other name of environmental biology is ecology. Number 5, microbiology is the study of microorganisms. Number 6, Bualicina is known as founder of medicine. Alright students, number 7 is which one of these bioelements is having highest percentage in human body? The correct answer is oxygen. Number 8, which one of the following contains unicellular organization? The correct answer is euglena. Number 9, which of these major bioelements is present in lowest percentage in human body? The correct answer is phosphorus. Number 10, if a scientist is studying the methods of inserting human insulin gene in bacteria, which branch of biology this may be? The correct answer is biotechnology. Thank you.